I can triple my ball and do this. See, Daddy? So look at me.
I'm seeing. I'm looking at you. Uh-oh, I'm sorry. Get the ball, pimp.
Daddy, want to play soccer?
You don't want to play soccer?
Yeah.
No, I want to see you play.
We won.
I want to see you play soccer.
Yeah! I'm the blue team.
Oh, yeah.
We scored!
Oh, yeah.
My team scored! Wow, for my team! Blue team wins! Blue team wins!
Boy, you almost hit me in the head with that ball, boy. Here it comes. It's coming. Oh, there you go. You got it. I thought it was going to come back over here off from the other side of the car. There you go, little pimp.
White team
Uh-oh.
scored!
There it is. Get that ball.